Hi guys, what's up? I got a question on the channel. Somebody said their carburetor sounds like the choke is on, or sometimes it backfires when you give it throttle. Now before you go and buy a new carb, or you want to cheap out trying one of those Chinese pieces of junk, try these tips first. Sometimes all you need to do is just clean your carburetor with some carb cleaner, and that should hopefully fix your problem. But sometimes carb cleaner isn't enough, and my secret weapon for that is to use compressed air, because that will clean out all those little passages and blow all the little junk and whatever gets in there. It'll blow it out way better than carb cleaner will. Go ahead and use the carb cleaner first, but then use compressed air after that to make sure you get all that little debris out. Another thing is to check your spark plug and make sure that's gapped correctly and it is clean. You can check what's going on in your engine by just looking at the spark plug itself. If it is too wet, you're getting too much fuel in there, it's got too much gas going through, and if it's too black, you're burning something. Maybe get some oil past the rings. Looking at that spark plug can tell you a whole bunch of little different things about your engine, so that's a good place to start as well. Another thing with those carb model ATVs is if you're not letting it get warmed up, if you just jump on the ATV and move it, and you're not letting it get up to operating temperature, like under 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to be fouling your plugs a lot more. It's going to have rough idle, it's going to be sputtering and all that stuff, mainly because you're not letting it get up to operating temperature, and that's fouling the spark plug in there. So if you're just going to jump on, move the ATV, just let it get up to operating temperature, and that will help you solve some of those problems. So I hope these tips helped you guys out. Leave a comment down below if you are having this sort of issue, or if you've got it solved and figured out. Let me know in the comments below. So be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.